Fierce winds are playing havoc at the Winter Olympics, where they've repeatedly forced the postponement of events in the mountains, notably alpine skiing. Sustained winds of 37 kilometres per hour with stronger gusts have howled through the Olympic Park near the coast. But the International Olympic Committee has played down the disruption.
Plenty. I mean, if the wind continues to blow for the next 15 days, then I guess it might be a problem. But at present, everything is okay. As we've said before, the International Ski Federation is well used to disruption by wind, by too much snow, by too little snow, by too much rain, by all sorts of things.
High winds make it dangerous for skiers who are already travelling at as much as 72 kilometres per hour. And in events such as the slalom, wind that changes direction can be unfair, as some skiers will get a helpful tailwind, while others will be hurt by a headwind.